Ganito yung gustong laro ni Scottie Thompson, off his own dribble, and to start this game, siya mismo yung humingi ng screen to create opportunities para sa Ginebra. Ayun, libre sa corner si Troy, mintes lang pero Jeremiah Gray is there for the putback. Kudos also sa effort ni Gray dito. He is using his athleticism to get second chance points for Ginebra. And sa wakas, sa umpisa pa lang is binigyan na ng chance si Holt to be their guy. Kasi ilang beses na nating pino-point out na wala silang Brownlee. Wala nang C-stand or Pringle to take shots or create. Pero merong Holt na hindi lang nabibigyan ng sets. Makikita natin agad dito na Holt creates 2 points. And then Scottie finds Holt sa 3-point distance and wala nang hesitation to. Pukul na agad. Wala nang isip-isip na ay mahaba pa yung shot clock. Let's find a better look. Diyos ko, D-League player yan. He needs to have his rhythm. Umpisa pa lang. Hindi yung pag no choice na sila sa endgame, dun pa lang sila pupunta kay Stephen Holt. Nakatatlong 3-point shot agad si Holt coming from the pass of Scottie Thompson and he delivers. Tsaka makikita mo si Scottie na he is playing his game today. More of na siya yung nagko-control ng offense. With this kasi mas namamaximize yung buong talent ng Ginebra roster. Bad thing for NLEX is nagiging passive si Robert Bolick. Wala siyang attempts sa opening frame and dalawa lang in total sa first half. Gets ko naman na gusto niya maging facilitator, maging point guard talaga. Pero nasa modern basketball naman na tayo eh. Hindi naman big deal yan eh. Siya yung main man dito and kailangan bumigat ng kanyang gravity para mas maging malapad yung basketball court. He is opting to play sa kanilang mga big man sa paint. Mismatch nga eh. Could have been na siya muna yung nag-torch and then dun siya naging unselfish. A solid first half para sa Ginebra, 40-33. In the second half, mas pumunta yung Ginebra sa paint with Japeth Aguilar kasi looking at the roster ng NLEX, wala talaga silang legitimate big man. And Japeth went off sa larong ito with a total of 25 points. Most of them is attack the rim, which matagal-tagal nating hindi nakita galing sa kanya yung will to score inside. Again here, they're not playing triangle a lot. Mostly yung fluid motion lang. Dito, given the post, pag may double kick out, tapos tira agad sa labas si Scottie kahit mahaba pa yung shot clock. I think mas deadly yung ganitong version ng Ginebra. Yung mas expose yung talent nila and letting Scottie Thompson handle the duties on the floor. Here, a 5-out PNR action for Ginebra, letting Scottie operate and with good cutters around him, marerewardan ka talaga. A total of 11 assists for Scottie Thompson. Hanggang sa hindi na nakabangon yung NLEX sa final period kasi patuloy pa rin yung pagkitil ni Japeth Aguilar sa mga bigs ng NLEX. Kasi pwede naman pala talagang mabigyan siya ng ganitong action eh, no? So, in this game, nabigyan yung mga fans ng hope na pwede pa si Aguilar. Hindi pa siya washed. Panalo ang Ginebra 104-74.